Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be a refrigerator clean and organized with me. Now if you've been needing that motivation to clean out your fridge, this is the video for you. Okay, now this is the before of my refrigerator. It didn't look too bad, but that freezer was very cluttered and it needed some type of organization and system to where I can be able to function while trying to get what I need out the freezer. So you guys stick around, stay tuned, and watch this transformation.
Baby, I'm sorry, I know what that meant. I should have known better back then.
So now I'm going to start off by taking some things out of the fridge, throwing away the things that I do not need, and cleaning the refrigerator.
Yeah. 'Cause I want you, I need you, don't leave me tonight. Oh, you make your decision, I know it ain't right. Oh, I know it, the darkness, 'cause you are my light. I can't take it without having you by my Are we gonna make it? Tell me, 'cause I'll do whatever it takes. That it takes. Yeah, you feel your heartbeat next to mine was all I wanted. Hey, we can make a mess right here when I'm on top. Yeah. I know what I did, yeah. And baby, I'm sorry, I know what that meant. I should have known better back then. If I could find a way, I would take back everything. I wanna change for you. 'Cause I want you, I need you, don't leave me tonight. Oh, you make your decision, I know it ain't right. Oh, I know it, the darkness, 'cause you are my light. I can't make it without having you by my side.
If you guys are wondering where I got these organizer bins from, I purchased these from Home Goods, and I want to say they were around $4 to $5 a piece, so it wasn't too bad. So if you guys are interested in purchasing these, you can hit up Home Goods. They have them. They have a lot of them at my Home Goods. So yeah guys, check it out y'all. These things work so good. They bring such a great aesthetic to the refrigerator. I only use a few of them. I didn't use a lot of them. I did use more in my freezer. But yeah, y'all, I like these bins and they are freezer safe.
You want me sometimes and then you don't. You thought I would stay, well then I won't. Don't wanna keep you around anymore. You're no longer the light I used to know. You want your life to be an open door. Don't wanna tie yourself down, afraid of getting bored. Like those pretty people who disappear in smoke. You're no longer the light I used to know. I can't help what I'm feeling. You think we're okay, baby, you're dreaming. You brought this on us and you don't know how deep it cuts. No, you don't know how much it hurts. You can't hold on. It's slipping through your hands, and I won't try to
Okay, y'all, so today's scripture is from Colossians 3:1-3. And it says, "You are raised from death with Christ, so live for what is in heaven, where Christ is sitting at, which is the right hand of God. Think only about what is up there and not what is here on earth. Your old self has died, and your new life is kept with Christ in God." So guys, let's focus on the things that God has for us and not the things of this world, because God can give us far much better than what the world can give us. So guys, I want to encourage y'all to trust in God, keep your mind focused on Him and what He has for you, and keep your arms wide open to Him.
No, no, you don't know how much it hurts. You can't hold on. It's slipping through your hands, and I won't try to understand. It's all gone, it's all gone. Under your command, under your command. You can't hold on.
So now I'm going to tackle this freezer. This was the worst part. The freezer was just so cluttered and it was just so unfunctional, if that's even a word. It was just so piled up and it was just hard to be able to find what I need in there. So I'll be using those same organizer bins. And those organizer bins kind of take up space a little bit, but it worked. And I think that I can function with that for now. It definitely made it look so much neater, and I can just grab the bin and take what I need to take out of there. So it was not perfect. This fridge is not the perfect Pinterest looking, organization, but it's functional for me and it looks great. So I want to thank you guys. If you stayed this far in the video, I want to thank y'all for tuning in and sticking this long with me. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. I would really, really appreciate it.
Oh, we're living in the present, but our mind is in the past, not knowing what we'll lose, don't know what will last, yeah, the things you always dare to dream, oh, are not always what they seem. Close to total peace.
Okay, y'all, so before I show you guys the end result, this is the before, and then I'm going to show you guys the after.
The beauty in the pain, not often we can see the value that we gain. Now listen, little one, the wounds will heal in time. I know it will.
Now here is the after. Yes, so this I'm so proud of. This is a long time coming. This refrigerator needs to be cleaned out so badly. It's not perfect, like I said before, but it is very functional for us, and it looks so much better than what it looked like before, especially the freezer. Yeah, so I want to thank you guys again for watching and sticking around to the end of this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Okay, you guys? Bye.
Start cherishing what you hold dear.